Hello! Today I'll show you some tricks in Microsoft Excel. Want to split full names? Try this one. Click Data, then Text to Column. Click Delimited, next choose Delimiters. In this example, we choose comma and space because those delimits the name. Now let's change on what cell the names will start to fill. Click Next. Now the full names were split. Next Excel trick, I'll show you how to get together names into one cell. On the destination cell, type =sign, concatenate, and open parenthesis. Then click the cell where the first name is placed, type comma. Type quote space and quote then comma to give space for the next name. Click the cell where the middle initial placed. Then type again what we need for space. And then click the cell where the last name is placed. Close it, press Enter, and there you have it. Before I share to you the last trick, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and click the notification bell. Thank you. Now I'll show you how to change text into different cases. You learn it from me today. Thank you for watching.